So the question of the day is, what did you build your car for? If it can do this, that's the whole purpose of cruising out here on the freeway, making it happen. Don't build your car for local travel. Build it to do what it's made to do. Get on the freeway and go somewhere. Have an adventure. Have something break. Have some stories to talk about. Make some memories. That's what I'm talking about. Make some memories. Take it over the hill, as we call it, where I come from, and beyond, if possible. Yeah. Keep a lookout on your gauges, you know, have some entertainment, and just do it. That's all I got to say.
You know I thank the sunrises. Okay, don't look crazy. Okay. Hey yo. You know what a dog is? Do you really know what a dog is? Dog is a girl. What? Dog is a girl. Come on. Not just any but a real let's go hold that dog down. Baby, I am what I am. I'm gonna be who I be. Everything from chasing the cat to out on the tree. Let me see what I gotta see. Do what I gotta do. Dog for life, but keep it true. Every once in a while I break out the backyard to roam and get reckless, but I still know that home is home. And when I get there, I'ma sit there, take it up there, put my head, do I handle my business? Yeah, I'ma run till I bust my gun and empty the clip. If I come home, we gotta go, just give me the whip.
You're my new fan, and it turns the music off.
Yeah, bartender, can I get a Hennessy on the rocks and Long Island iced tea? Thank you. And I tell you.
You know that's nothing.